Hello and greetings to my students. We're going to move on to our next phase, and it will be more sounds. And of course, we're still learning to Gugu and Gaga. And until you learn to Gugu and Gaga, you begin to speak. At least that was my experience with the Dinefazad. So let's go ahead and start right away with our writing. Take out your notebook and let's go ahead and get started with the consonant vowel symbols. And so we'll go ahead and start with the short, and it's going to be ba. This is the regular sound, be, bi, bo. And then the next line will be the high tones, ba, be, bi, bo. And the next line is going to be the nasal tones, ba, be, bi, bon. And the last one will be the glottal stops, ba, be, bi, bo. Okay, that is the short sounds. So go ahead and write it down and practice it. Now we're going to move on to the long sounds, regular sounds, ba, be, bi, bo. Now we're going to move on to the long sounds, high tones, ba, be, bi, bo. And then we're going to move on to the long sounds, nasal, bon, ben, bi, bon. And the last one, long sounds, glottal stop, ba, be, bi, bo. I'm putting more accents on the If you can get used to that, then when you start speaking, it'll become a little more silent, like ba, be, bi, bo. You'll start seeing it a little bit more silent. Okay, now let's go ahead and go through it once. Short sound, ba, be, bi, bo. Regular sounds. Short, high sounds, ba, be, bi, bo. Nasal sounds, bon, ben, bi, bon. Short, glottal stop, ba, be, bi, bo. Okay, now the long sounds, ba, be, bi, bo. Ba, be, bi, bo. Bon, ben, bi, bon. Ba, be, bi, bo. Okay, so that will be our first page of the consonant vowel syllables, short and long sounds. Okay, so memorize it good, put it into your notebooks. And so in your notebooks, it should look something like this. And good luck, and continue to Gugu and Gaga for your working towards speaking the language very well and appropriately, and you will also enunciate and pronunciate the language better. And thank you and have a good day. Okay, so next time we will add some more and keep adding and keep adding and keep practicing and practicing. And good day.